Hey friend, you there? Yeah, I see you. Okay, great. I want to talk to you about 3 ways to make 10K in the next 30 days. You interested? Yeah, you heard me right. 3 ways in 30 days to make 10K on repeat. That means recurring. That means every month you make $10,000. You interested? Hi, let's get into it. Okay, now this works very, very, very well if you are someone who already has clients, if you have a following, and if you have subscribers. But stay with me, because if you don't, it still works. So hang in there, okay? But I'm going to talk to the people who already have some sort of following first. You already have people who like, know, and trust you. And hopefully you've already built some type of rapport with those people. But if you do not have a following, this will still work for you, because guess what? Even if you don't make 10K and you make 3K, that's recurring, $3,000. That's on a recurring monthly basis, baby, you still won. You still won. So today I'm going to talk to you, like I said, 3 ways to make 10K in 30 days. The first way is through an email campaign. Now, this is why I said that it is important that if you already have some type of following, right? You can reach out to that following in an email campaign. I said campaign because not just one email. I want you to set this up where you send at least 3 to 5 emails. The first email, you're going to talk about something and touch on a pain point that people in your industry experience. So that pain point could be anything. I mean, it could be how, whether you could be a doctor, right? You could deal with, depending on the type of doctor, how the weather is causing certain allergies and asthma symptoms and what to do about that. Some natural remedies. You could have a niche dealing with anything in the world. I want you to touch a pain point and solve it for them. Okay, I want these to be informative, and I want people to say, oh, that was good. Let me go try that. So pick the best of the best things that you can solve in 3 different emails for your clients, followers, subscribers. All right. Once you've done those 3, you're going to write 3 different emails, 3 different things that you're solving for your following. On that 4th email, I want you to invite them to an event on Zoom where they can get more information on how you can solve that problem for them and many more. And then in that event, as the finale, I want you to invite them to join your community. Okay? Now, we're going to do the math at the end of how all of this works out. But just imagine for one moment with me, you just charge $39. $10,000 a month is what you want. You just need 250 people. Out of the whole wide world, that's not a lot. Because see, the people that you want, I'm going to give you 3 different ways to get them. So stay listening. Keep on listening, okay? I just gave you one idea. So that's an email campaign. The first 3 emails, you give out awesome information, awesome content. You figure out a problem and solve that problem. 3 emails. 4th email, you invite them to an online event through a Zoom webinar. And then you invite them to join your community for a price so that they can get ongoing support. All right, that's one, an email campaign. Another campaign that you can do is a phone campaign. Now, this can be via text or phone calls. Now, let me tell you something. What you want here is for people to talk back. You want to understand what they need, what they want. This is a way more personal touch. Yeah, I know what you're saying. Oh, that'll take forever. It will. But the benefits are outstanding. Hi, Miss Smith. This is LaTanya with Dr. Johnson's office. How are you? Oh, girl, I'm amazing. Girl, I was just calling to check on you and see if you needed anything, if you were okay. And I know you have asthma, so I was giving you a call to find out, how things are going this season. Then invite them to the event. And this is just an example. The reason I'm telling you this is because this can work for any business, regardless of what you offer. It can work for anybody in any business. Coaches, influencers, doctors, dentists, any industry that you can name, it'll work for it. All right, so that's phone calls. You're pretty much doing the exact same thing as the email, but it's way more personal, and you get a chance to understand on a upfront level the issues and problems that your particular clients face. When you know that you know the issue, it makes it better and easier to solve that problem and provide a solution that's catered to your specific people. And when something is catered to people, baby, how they not gonna buy it? How they not gonna join it? That's the question. All right. So the third outreach method is social media. Now, if you have a social media following, it doesn't have to be huge, but it does have to be engaged, right? Say, for instance, you have YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. You can do the exact same thing. You can start posting things that are geared towards the same thing, some touch points, some pain points. Get people talking, put together some polls, make people ask questions, get them engaged and talking. Do that 3 to 5 times. On that last time, you offer them an event. And in the event, you'll have them join your community. It is doable. It is very doable. When you think of it, listen, you can go to $49. $39 was just something that I came up with. That's 250 people in the whole wide world. That ain't a lot of people, bro. It's not a lot of people. And in 1 month, if you do all 3 of these methods, and this bonus one, like I said, is the real hype and the real freaking doozy. You do this on social media and you start getting people to sign up and to join you on that webinar and offer so much great content that they can't say no. Oh, it's on. It's on, and it does not have to take long. So let me get to the best part. This bonus, baby, is everything. I crafted an email. I want you to do the same thing. I want you to reach out to your peers in your industry. I want you to partner with your peers. Now, when you partner with your peers, right, you can give them a portion of the proceeds as an affiliate for everybody that signs up in your community. So say, for instance, it's a $39 community, $100 community, whatever. That first month, when they bring their people, you can actually give them that entire first month. But guess what? When you have a community, like I'm telling you to build a community, it's a subscription. So people pay every month. You give them that whole first month. That's $3,000 to $10,000 they wasn't even looking for, right? So it's a benefit to them. It's change. It's chump change. Give them that. You go on every other month. You'll make the money. And you keep making it and keep making it and keep making it and keep making it. So that last bonus suggestion is that you get with your peers. You two partner in some kind of way. And yeah, hey, if they get all the money from that first one, cool. Don't worry about it because you get the rest. Do you have any questions about anything that I've mentioned in this video? If you do, put it in the chat. Thank you so much for listening this far. I want to know, was this some good stuff or not? Because I got so excited when I thought about it, I had to go on and record. So let me know how you feel about this information in the chat. Let me know if you have further questions, and I'll provide as much information as possible. Say, for instance, this doesn't pertain to you. This message isn't good for you. If you know anybody who it is good for, share the doggone video with them and make sure that you like it so that you can see the rest of my videos, because I promise you, I have something for everybody. Hey friend, this is TJ and I'm sitting in my think tank, aka the truck. And I just want to invite you to join my school group and learn how you can monetize whatever skill that you have and turn that skill into a monthly income and give yourself the option to leave corporate America. options are amazing. So the link is in the chat. I also would like for you to like this video and share it with as many people as you think would find this subject matter interesting. I love you to life. I'm so glad that you found me and that I found you, because this is going to be a lifelong relationship. I just know it. Okay? All right. Click that like button, and I'm going to see you on the other side.